Welcome to Nichols Better Together, a program for healthy teams and facilities. Today we will be talking about reusing bottles and trigger sprayers. In times of extremely high infection rates, we sometimes see a shortage of trigger sprayers. Saving and reusing triggers and bottles is vital so teams can continue to use disinfectants to fight germs and bacteria. As a matter of fact, reusing your triggers and bottles is a great sustainability improvement and can save you money in the long run. We will review some steps to help you clean bottles and triggers safely so you are prepared to reuse them. There are two important things to follow before you start cleaning your bottles and triggers. First, make sure your bottle is completely empty. That way, you won't be wasting any product. Second, wear the proper personal protective equipment based on the product that was last in the bottle. Now, let's dive into the steps of cleaning bottles and triggers. First, let's separate the trigger with the attached tube from the bottle. Rinse each of them under warm water. Fill a container with warm water and immerse the tube part of the trigger. Use a separate container to immerse the bottle in warm water. Squeeze the trigger to flush product from the head. Make sure the nozzle is directed towards the sink. Continue spraying until the warm water does not show any discoloration, between 15 and 20 sprays. If the trigger is being switched between incompatible products, you should spray to flush the product for at least 2 minutes. The bottle requires a similar process. Fill up the bottle with warm water, shake side to side, and pour water into the sink. Continue this process until the warm water does not show any discoloration. All of us here at Nichols want to make sure you and your team stay safe and healthy because we're better together.